That's, oh, I like that. I like that. That's disgusting. First thing we're going to do is we're going to go over to Oscillator A. We're going to go to Oscillator 1. Going to go to the Glork Lunk section, and we're going to select Creepy Solar. Go ahead and stick your frame to 32.93. Go ahead and turn your level on Oscillator 1 all the way down. Turn on Oscillator 2. Go to the factory section, select Basic Shapes. Keep it on the first basic shape. Go ahead and throw your phase and random both to 0 on both oscillators so far. Go ahead and throw LFO1 onto the level of Oscillator A. Turn the tempo to 1/4. Oh, that's sick, actually. Yeah, 1/8. That sounded pretty dope. Nice. And then go to LFO2 and create a basic sustain ramp like so. And turn the tempo to 1/1. And throw LFO2 onto the wavetail position of Oscillator 1. And then go ahead and throw that macro to 95.04. Now let's beef this sound up, all right? And I do have headphones on. Go to your effects section, turn your compressor on, throw your attack up to 66.17%. Grab the top pillar of this low band and move it to minus 14.9 dB. Go ahead and turn on your distortion. Move your distortion above your compressor and throw the drive up to 6.177. Now, we sounding nasty. I like that. Turn your equalizer on, give it a nice little high shelf. But we could probably even get something even crazier. Let's see what we can do here. That's gross. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to go to the spectral morphing section of Oscillator 1, select harmonic stretch, and go ahead and throw the spectral morphing to 54.91%. Throw LFO2 onto the harmonic stretch. And then go ahead and throw that macro. Oh my gosh, that's disgusting. To 0.088. Change the unison on Oscillator 1 from 1 voice to 2 voice and throw the detune to 2%. Now we have... That's disgusting. I like that. Now go ahead and turn your reverb on. Throw the low cut up to about 74.68 semitones. Throw the size to 68.14%. Throw the time to 1.566. Throw the mix to 30.88. And throw your delay to 0.273. Let's put a beat behind this and round it off. But we can make it even crazier. Just turn on Oscillator 3. Go to the factory section, select Drink the Juice. Turn the level down. Go ahead and back off the reverb a little bit. Throw the mix on the reverb down to 8.820%. And on Oscillator 3, go ahead and stick your frame to 16.46. Throw it to LFO 3. Turn the tempo to 1/4. Throw LFO 3 on the wavetail position of... onto the level of Oscillator 3. That's nasty. And then throw LFO2 onto the wavetail position of Oscillator 3. That's, I like that. I like that. I like that. Put that to the beat. That's disgusting. What the hell? And you can just, that's the sound. You can go wherever you want with that. That's nasty. You can go ahead and make a macro for this, right? An actual macro. Go ahead and throw macro 1 onto the wavetail position of Oscillator 3. So now anytime, we'll call this grit. Anytime you adjust this macro 1 over here, listen to the way it changes. It cycles through the wavetail position of Oscillator 3. So now you can get different tones and harmonics. This is how I get a bunch of different sounds out of one sound. Different. 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 You just find something that works. I like that right there. That's what I would go with. That's disgusting. And I'm out, baby. That's the sound. Now, before I get going, those of you who have got your hands on the pressure for Vital Pack, if you don't know how to import the sounds into your Vital VST, it's really easy. There's 2 ways you can do it. The way that I've been doing it is I just go to my preset library in Vital, like so, go to the user section, and then right-click it. And it opens up this whole folder here. It opens up the folder on your computer where all your presets are, your user presets. And then you can just drag the folder in how you want, right, into your presets folder right here. I just have Lit Lords, and then it just goes organization, organization, organization. So you can do it that way. It's not that hard. But if you want the Vital Bank for pressure and it's not there, just re-download the pack. And you should have it in there. All right? That's it from me. Enjoy the sound. Boom.